Hello everyone, welcome back to this Art of Fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely dress using this fabric. This is 4 yards of crepe fabric, a flower crepe fabric, to cut it out. So the first thing to cut out here is the half cut. You can call it an half cut before you can join that straight cut to make a plait around the down part of the dress. So this is from the shoulder to below the navel, which I'm using 30 inches for that with the same allowance. I'll now fold it into 4 now, leaving my zip allowance at the back. So after the folding, the next thing I'm going to take here is the shoulder measurement of 8 inches. That is 16 inches for the shoulder. So I'll make use of 1 inch for the shoulder slant, 1 inch for the shoulder slant, and which is there. I'll be slanting it up to the center of both back and front. Here you can see. So at the shoulder slant, I'm going to take my arm measurement of 8 inches as well. Arm measurement of 8 inches. Here is it. Then the next thing is take the half cut of 16 inches. Then I'm going to take the wideness of the bust, which is 38 inches. I'm making use of 9.5 inches is there. Then with the same allowance of 1.5 inches is also here, you can see. Then the next thing here is to come to the waistline and take the waist measurement of 30 inches. That is 7.5 inches. Here's my 7.5 inches with the same allowance of 1.5 inches. I'm going to connect it to the bust measurement. Then from this point, I'm going to take my hip point, the hip point of 10 inches. Then I'm going to take the wideness of the hip to be 42 inches. That is 10.5 inches in 4 places. It's going to give us 42 inches with the same allowance of 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to connect everything together. After connecting them together like this, the next thing to do here is to cut out the dress, the marked area. So let me cut it out now and show it to you. So this is after cutting it out. The next thing I'm going to do here is to shape it out, that pencil area at the center of both back and front. So I want to shape it out. So I'll go up to the hip point. Here's my hip point. I can go up to hip point. I can go up above the hip point, but on how pencil you want that area to be. So when I cut this out now and I see it's not that penciled properly, I can recut. So let me cut it out now. So you can go above the hip point, you can go below the hip point, depending on how your client wants it to be. But the best thing is to make that point to come out. So by the time you plait around it, that front and the back will go down than that of the side. So I want to notch the half cut. So after cutting out this half cut, I want to cut out my straight cut to complete the dress to make a plait. So I'll be starting the measurement from there. So what we're having here now is 26 inches. I think the pencil is not showing properly, so I'm still going to recut. So anything, when I cut anything I have there, I'm going to take my I'm going to add it to my straight cut to make a complete dress, because when we are going here for the complete dress, the length of the complete dress is 45 inches. So now since we're having 26 inches here, then I will get to 45, then we'll be left with 21. So with the same allowance, I'll be making is 22 or 23 inches. So I'll be cutting out this now. So here the straight cut. The next thing here is to cut out the sleeve. The sleeve also is going to be a straight cut, because we're going to use this to make a plait around the armhole too. So the wideness I'm using here is 60 inches length. The length I'm pleating at the hem is 60 inches. You can see this is 60 inches length. Then the wideness here is going to be 20 inches with the seam allowance, because there's going to be an elastic cover at the down part of the sleeve, you can see. And the other side we're going to place it around the armhole, and this side here is going to be an elastic cover. So now let me go and join everything together and show you the finishing. Welcome back. Here the finished work so far. This is the dress we have been cutting out. Here is the sleeve. This is how you're going to puff it, and there's an elastic cover at the edge. I told you I'm going to put the elastic cover, so you can see how beautiful this is. So this is the body. You can see the body, you can see the neckline. I hemming the neckline. I didn't after putting my bias, I hemming it. So here is the other sleeves. Here you can see the other sleeve. Then this is the pleat. You can see the center here the center. This is the side. You can see how the pleat is. You can see this is the front, and also is at the back. So let me turn it for you to see the back. So here is the back. There is a zip at the back, like I said earlier. You can see the back. So this is the center of the back as well. Here is the pleat. You can see the center of the back here. You can see the pleat also. So you can see how beautiful this turns out. If you're watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.